What makes Vesco residential cleaning special? It's really the people. In the service business, if it's not in your heart, you're not going to last that long. And when I started this, it was, I felt like I had a service-driven spirit inside of me. That's kind of what I'm here for. And when I grew the company, those were the same type of people that I was looking for in order to come on board with me and help, facilitate my customer base. And it's really all about the people. We care about our customers. We want to get out there. We want to do a good job. And we're all about service. We're all about service.
Vesco usually does a full house cleaning for me, top to bottom, from the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedrooms. They employ quality, trustworthy, responsible people, people that you can trust to come into your home, take care of business, and leave your home looking fantastic.
The thing that I think makes Vesco stand out amongst other cleaning companies is the quality of the people. Every time someone comes to my house, they are respectful, polite, honest, hardworking, and I've never had to worry about trust issues. The people of Vesco are really high quality people, and I can't recommend them enough.
Vesco Residential Cleaning is kind of like a ministry hiding behind a business. You know what I mean? And that's really what it's all about. At the end of the day, it's about the Lord Jesus Christ for me, and that's what's in my heart. And that's what motivates Vesco every day, to get out there and serve, and that's what it's about for us at Vesco.